This charm will make you invisible and unnoticed by enemies, oppressors, jealous people, ill-wishers, etc. It will also protect you from any harm and misfortune. You can recite the prayer over any item you will wear or carry with you, such as a hat, scarf, shoes, etc., or you can simply place the prayer in your pocket or bag. The important thing is to always have it with you and be under its invisible protection. Recite the following prayer. Remember me, God, for health, and remember my enemies for rest. Lead me, Lord, through enemies on the most invisible path. My cares are with the angels cares are with the archangels. You, archangels, stand behind me and cover me with an invisible veil. There is care from all this world, from all this white light, so that my enemies do not see me, and do not notice when I pass by, like the blind who do not notice anything, and cannot distinguish between day and night. I will pass by, they will stand like a pillar, and I will disappear from under their hands like smoke. And just as smoke cannot be gathered by the wind, so they cannot hold me back. Lips, teeth, tongue. Amen. Amen. Amen.